Angelica. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my scene hairstyle. So, that's how I do it. Picture time.
Once again, drop the bass.